Hi, welcome everybody to my YouTube channel, Innovative Insights with Trideep. Today is going to be our first YouTube video, and as we know that to make a YouTube video more creative, to be more attractive, and a video which must need something to attract viewers is that the YouTube thumbnail. So in this first video, we are going to be learning to make the thumbnail, and I am gonna use this thumbnail exactly for the YouTube video that I am gonna post as the first one. So let us start. In the first phase, we'll be gonna be opening the Google, and here it will be typing the YouTube thumbnail templates. As you can see, I have already opened this one. And first of all, when you search it, it makes easier for you to access what to say sources directly. So first of all, we'll be getting three options: Canva, Poster My Wall, and Adobe. These three are the most trustable sites. You can use Poster My Wall just when this you'll be much more easier to handle such types of things. Not at the beginner level, I would suggest. Adobe, it is a good one, but it has much less resources. So the for the best one for all types of editors is the Canva. It's for personally, I use the Canva to make many of the other templates or the thumbnails or other kinds of image related editing works. I use using the Canva only. So let us start today's video on this topic. You'd have to make the YouTube thumbnail using Canva. So here, when we click on this link, we have got the YouTube thumbnail ready here, where we'll be getting many types of thumbnails, and out of them we have got three types. That is one which are free, like this one. It has got nothing, got any kind of symbol out here, and some one of them are pro, for which you need to have the Canva Pro. Of course, you need to have the Canva Pro. Nothing when you don't expect anything from anyone who will be giving you 100% of the items at free. Yeah, sometimes yeah, some things I got there already on the internet, and I also know that they're gonna give you free, but viruses can affect anything. That might be your body or the device you are using right now. So you see pro, and another one I have currently not got here, but it is there. That is the paid one. You are probably gonna not gonna be using paid or pre version or the pro version for such kind of easy or basic stuff like YouTube thumbnails. So I have already selected a YouTube thumbnail here. I'll be sharing the link of this thumbnail in my description box. You can check it out below. So let us start. So first of all, you need to have uploaded two basic things for this thumbnail. I needed my image as well as my logo. So I'll be replacing this with persons at the approximate angle and the positions, so that I don't need to edit it again and again and then fix its size, shape, and do other works. Let's continue. I will just drag my pic from here and I will put it in his one. You see something is different. The previous one was settled here in the middle, but my face has got somewhere else. So let's bring it down here, and then you can see that one more problem is that I am getting smaller. That's kind of hectic, because who wants his face to be smaller? Then to be more prominent, I will suggest you to be make more prominent images, and photo selection is a much important thing for such kind of things. You have to get a very attractive photo, because people are gonna look, wow, he's damn looking a pretty handsome. No, he's gonna be saying, wow, that's kind of creative image he has put out on the thumbnail. So let's you see, you have to be perfect in all such cases. You'll just simply using the side key, you will move it to some bit to the right hand side, and now it is in the center. It's done. Now second, it will be changing the image color, because it is not suitable within the with respect to the background color it has had it is having currently. So in the edit image section, we'll go, and here it will find the filters. Now here we'll go to the see all, and personally I will suggest you to use the capri for this, because it is quite matchable. And another one is fresco. Nothing else than this, nothing matches with the other one. So these two are the good one which you can use, as it is matching the background. But still I will suggest the capri, because it's quite suitable, and I am thinking it's good for this template. So here we have done setting up our image. Now next is the putting up the logo. For this, don't just first of all bring your logo here. First thing we're gonna be do, we'll go to the element section here, and then at the, let me take you to the top, or you'll think, "Oh, wow, from where he got this such of things of, no, he didn't scroll down, he's calling me in the comment section, or you'll be disliking the video." I don't want that kind of stuff. I know you are a lovely audience of mine, and you'll be liking and subscribing and sharing this video as well. So don't forget to subscribe and like, and of course you need to share. So we'll come to this all things in the later videos. This is just beginning course. So here we got this oval frame. Everyone likes to have a oval or circle type of frame in here to make things much easier to use. So we'll make shift it to here. Now you see it is there. Now then we'll go to the upload section and we'll bring the logo and paste it out here. Now still you see, just to make the only the logo visible, I will just crop the image out here. When only selecting the edit image, it will be cropped, and then we'll drag it all here. Yeah, you got it. You got it. It will fix it in the correct positions, correct aspects. Yeah, that's okay. That's okay for mine. Even still, now I'll be reducing the size. Don't make it much minimizable that no one can see. So yeah, you could logo there recognizes or gives you a identity, just like you call it identity. So here we got the logo, and the very last work we have got here to change the text. What we are going to give, we'll give something of our idea, our creativity, or our style. We will not follow the words that are already given in here. That's not this kind of abstract. You're going to see modern video thumbnail, then who's going to like that? So change it. So I will suggest YouTube. It will be YouTube for sure. YouTube. Yeah, you got it here. I think it will fit here almost. Yeah, it got fit. Thanks. Um, I'll just how to make uh uh uh. You can make it here. You can stretch it here. I'll just suggest to make things quite within the limits. I will make it here. Thumbnail. I will cut out the designs. It's not suitable for me. I'm not like. I'm not like. I am personally not liking it. It can be different from my opinion that you are liking it. Everything can be different. I think it's okay, but still, I will try and look to increase the size. Let me check how it's looking. Yeah, it can be increased. How to make a YouTube thumbnail? Yeah, that's good. Now the last thing we're going to be doing is saving it. There we go. We'll be saving here. Save, and it's saved. So now we'll be opening it and checking it here. So that's for today's video, and at last I will be saying to my respected, lovely boogaloo viewers and my cute viewers that please subscribe and like the video as well. I'm here for the basic people. You need to be champions, right? In your offices or to your friends, you need to be champion. They see he's got a good creativity skill in editing. You need to hear such of compliments, right? So you need to follow me. You need to follow, subscribe, like, comment, and share. Thank you. That's for today. Goodbye.